Hi everyone, it's Eva from Noshki's Nails. I have some nail mail and reviews to do for you guys this week. This particular one is from Beauty Big Bang. I chose item number J1485. And this is a pack of 3 different colors. These are I think there's 2 to 3 different sizes in here, but you do get a variety of colors like I said. There's silver, gold, and also rose pink. And you can kind of tell how small this is, and it gets a little bit big. It's the same for the other colors as well. If you want to use my discount code, you could go ahead and get 10% off your entire order. Doesn't matter if the item is on sale or not. It's D like David 705. You can find Beauty Big Bang on Facebook as well and Instagram. I will be linking everything in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. Yeah, so let's go ahead and
I'm wasted, my heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing, keep your words naked. You got me blushing, and you forever I'll follow. You'll be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. Forever I'll follow. You'll be my holy ground. You forever